Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can unsubscribe from Grammarly. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to be in this particular site, which is Grammarly's site, grammarly.com, or you can use Grammarly app. So once you are over here, what you need to do is just go all the way to the left. Then you can find over here which says support. So just go over there. And then over here you can see, just go all the way down, or you can use this billing and subscription option, or you can go all the way down and choose contact us, and then all the way down as well. And then over here you can see this little icon over here, just go over there. And then this is the chatbot of Grammarly, which will help you a lot, guys. Then once it has loaded, you can see over here it says, I would like to cancel my subscriptions. Unsubscribe means that you want to cancel your subscription. So just pressing over here, it will take you to the site, or let's say it will help you to unsubscribe with just a single click. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. I just guided you guys because I don't want to cancel my subscription. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just comment down below. So I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.